After a long time, the super soldier protocol was unveiled. Do you know anything about the growth spiral? We all have different aspects, that for growth, we must deal with all those aspects in a spiral and elevate them level by level. Like a staircase that you climb up. So why are you watching this video? We work with protocols here. Each protocol has a simplified guideline for passing through a section of the spiral. Because we have confidential protocols that make you a super soldier. How do the protocols work? Executive protocols. It extremely simplifies complex issues. It asks you simple questions, and provides simple, clear, effective, step-by-step solutions to those questions, with measurable results. And takes one step forward in the spiral. Perspective protocols. It expands your perspective or vision in a simple and clear way. You see things in a way that you didn't see before, you think in a way that you didn't think before. It is possible that you may not like some of the things you learn, but it doesn't matter at all. We are here for what you need, not what you like. If you want to become a super soldier, your mutation chambers are in front of us. And the more we simplify complex content and shorten long answers, the faster you will reach an effective solution. You're welcome. Appreciate it. And keep it simple. With protocols, you can grow all aspects of yourself. If you have a problem, the solution is here. How? Step by step, stage by stage, problem by problem. With continuous victories in small battles, we ultimately win the war. Isn't this the only clear, certain, and effective way? People who successfully pass through all aspects of each orbit and enter the next orbit elevate their level. Orbits that require adherence to guidelines, perspectives, responsibility, and selflessness. Well, what benefits do all these troubles have? We can only achieve things within our orbit radius. It's like saying we can only buy things we have money for, right? And it's the same in all aspects of life. And to grow our orbit in the spiral, we must definitely pay attention to all our aspects. It's inevitable. Did you make sure that all our aspects are somehow connected, right? Have you ever heard of a $1 million personality? Do you think having $1 million is better? Or having $1 million personality? A developed personality pays enough attention to all its aspects. How about you? Do you want this path to be simple enough? Then keep it simple. Join us, and let's move along the great spiral together. But keep this in mind. Simplicity doesn't mean ease. You must know that you are the one who must take full responsibility for yourself. No one else will do your duties. It's simple but not easy at all. Like walking, which is simple, but walking from Germany to China is not easy at all. Put on your combat uniform, write your will, join us, and do all that is needed. This is your duty. It's your responsibility. Finish the training course, become a super soldier, and eventually join the Super Soldier Academy. And our team will help you during this time. And by the way, hello everyone.